Okay, in this video I'm going to replace my programmable thermostat that we've had since I think 2008, 2007, somewhere around there. We bought this and we're going to replace it with this Emerson Sensi. This is the system that we've had for years. It's made by Hunter and it's programmable. It has two batteries in it for a display. This one doesn't have a C wire connected to it, and if you do any reading about or research about the furnace, air conditioning, and AC, there's a C wire that's used as a power connection to the thermostat, and a lot of older homes just have the regular 4-wire system. So we'll get started on this. First thing we want to do is to turn off the circuit breakers for the AC and the heater. So we're going to do that with the furnace, air conditioner. On this type of thermostat, just basically to pull the cover off, you just pull it off like that, and there's the mounting plate there. And then it's a good idea at this point, you want to take a picture of the wiring here so that you have something to go by. It's only 4 wires. You got a green, red, white, and yellow wire, but they need to go in the proper places in the connector. So we'll do that. Here is the plate has been removed from the wall, and wires are hanging out there, and we're ready for the next step. We've got the box, and there is our thermostat. And we'll pull that out, and there's a manual and labels. Comes with the 2 AA batteries and the plate with all the mounting gear. And so the next thing we're going to do is get this mounted. So there's the app. You can download this either from the for Google, you can do from the Play Store, and Apple from the Apple App Store. So there's both types there. And so you have to press the plus button, and we're going to select which thermostat we're using. It'll be this one right there. And yes, it will. It needs to be installed, so we're going to do that. And it gives you instructions about the hardware that comes with it. So it tells you what tools you're going to need, steps you through the process. And we've already turned off the power. And we've already gotten through this part. So we've removed the wires, taken a picture of it, and then so we won't need to worry about that part there. You go through this, and then you can pick the terminal wires that the wires were attached to. And you can label the wires. And then it talks about removing everything, and then steps you through to how to reconnect those wires, and turn on the power. There's the finished mounting of the wall plate. I did drill a fresh screw hole on one side, but it's got a nice little level built into it, so you can keep it level. A little tough time getting the screws in. You have to work with them, the wires a little bit. They're crooked. You'll have to back the screws out a little bit so you can push the wiring in so it makes good contact, and then tighten the screws back down. But it's in there now, so we're ready to do the next step. So it tells us to press So now you connect the Sensi to your phone, going into general and finding the Sensi, and you press the connect on that. You're going to connect it to your network. It only works on the 2.4 gigahertz range, so we'll choose that. Now it's registered, and we see that the display is working and Wi-Fi is up. All right, now it's time to get ready to program. So there it is. After you finish installing it, and you see that display there. As well. So that is the Emerson Sensi Thermostat. There are, you can set scheduling in here. Let you program the schedule, do all that. So, pretty neat. Set the schedule up just like that.